I ain't pulling you back when you feeling like that.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you a really fun Coachella / music festival inspired hair and makeup tutorial. So today I'm going to be reviewing and using the Hush Prism Airbrush Spray. Thank you to Hush for partnering with me for this video. Coachella is around the corner, so I figured why not just go all out. So I actually used two different colors on my hair today. I have on Malibu Pink and Amethyst Haze, and I did this really fun space bun hair tutorial. So what's awesome about this product is that it actually washes out, so you can have like your alter ego for the day. There are 7 colors. This is something totally out of my comfort zone, but it was really easy. I kind of wish I was going to Coachella right now because I mean I'm really feeling this hair, and you guys know I've had a pitch black hair for a really long time, so it was really fun to kind of play around and add some color to my hair without damaging it. Like, this is perfect for me because I am not about that dyeing my hair life, because I mean you guys probably know what I've been through. So this is fun. Like, I get to wash it out, but there are so many different colors you can play with. I can't wait to play with the other ones. Also, one lucky winner is going to be winning the whole set of the Hush Airbrush sprays. So the giveaway ends April 30th, and I will have the link in the description bar. Also, this product is available on Sephora, so I will also have a link to shop this product. You can find out more about the product. So enough of me rambling. I know you guys want to see how I got this look, so let's go ahead and get started with these swatches. So let's go ahead and get started with the hair tutorial. First, what you're going to do is you're going to want to style your hair however you want it. So you can leave it straight, obviously. You can do an updo. I am just curling my hair and I'm just kind of leaving the ends out because I want it kind of like a wavy look. I don't want it to be too perfect, so I'm going to kind of like mess it up with my hands, but I'm just making sure that I'm not curling the ends. So I'm just leaving that piece out, and I'm kind of alternating which way I'm curling. So forward and then backwards on the barrel, and then I'm going to place a towel underneath my hair, and I'm first going in with the shade Amethyst Haze, and you're gonna want to give it a good shake. That's what I was demonstrating there, and you're just gonna want to go ahead and spray. I liked Amethyst Haze, but I really love Malibu Pink, so I wanted it to be brighter, and I wanted it to have like really like a bright pink look to my hair. So I wanted it like a pink and purple. So that's why I used 2 shades. You can use 3, you can use 4, you could just use 1. It really just depends on the look that you want. And don't worry about it getting on your hands. This washes off super easily off your hands. So just some soap and water and you could just wash it off. So here I'm just spraying all over, and then you're gonna wanna brush it out. So now I'm just going to quickly put my hair back so that we can get started with the makeup. We're going to go back to the hair, but for now I just wanted to get the makeup on. So I'm going to use a long-lasting foundation because it's a festival and you want something that's going to be like bulletproof, sweat-proof. So of course I went in with Estee Lauder Double Wear, and I'm just blending that in with a beauty blender. And then I'm going to conceal my under eyes, because, well, we all need a little concealer. I went very bright for this look, and you're going to want to just do your base as usual. So foundation, contour, powder. Here I'm just baking under my eyes with some translucent powder, and I'm also going to be filling in my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Dip Brow Pomade, and I use the Dip Brow Pomade here because I'm pretty much using like my waterproof product. So for your base and for your eyebrows, you're going to want to use products that you know last long, especially for like a Coachella or a festival, especially if it's going to be outdoors. You just want to make sure your products are long lasting. So here I'm just concealing my brows, and the Dip Brow Pomade is very, very long lasting, and it's actually waterproof. So I'm just going to blend the concealer out and then brush through my brows. And that's pretty much it for my brows. And then I'm going to wipe away the baking powder, and I'm kind of pressing the powder in to really brighten and then also wipe away any excess. And now we're going to just apply some crease colors. Now for this look, I decided to go really simple on the actual lids because I wanted the focus to be my hair. So I'm just using a transition color and some browns in my crease with a fluffy brush. Nothing too spectacular. I just wanted to get some color in there, some definition. So I'm just blending that out. and I'm also going to be applying a bone color to my brow bone. Now, I wanted to do a purple to kind of match my hair underneath my eyes, so I'm going in with a couple of shades of purple underneath, and I'm really just packing that on. Next, I'm just going to apply a little bit of liquid liner before applying my lashes so that they stick better. So I'm just going to be using some nice wispy lashes, nothing too dramatic. Again, I really want my focus to be the hair, so just some small lashes, and I'm just applying that with a lash applicator, and then I'm going to keep on layering the purple shadow throughout this whole video, and then I'm going to just tight line with a black liner and then bronze up my face per usual. So you want to do your foundation and your bronzer and all that before your stones. Here I'm just bronzing up my face, and then I'm going in with, you guessed it, more purple. I really wanted it to be a bright purple. You can use any color, you can use green. You know, it doesn't have to match your hair, but I decided to do that. Here I'm just brightening up under my eyes after applying some lower lash mascara, and I'm just packing that on, and then I'm going to contour just a little bit more. Now, you could even get really creative and do your contour with a color like a purple or a blue. It just depends on how out there you want this look to be. For my blush, I did want to go really heavy because I feel like for Coachella, I've seen that look and I really like it. So for my highlight, I decided to do a pink shifting, purple shifting highlight, and I love this. It's from Artist Couture, and I'm obsessed, and I'm just applying it pretty much everywhere. And then I'm going to kind of wing out that purple shadow to really kind of, I don't know, shape my eyes. Here's the fun part. I'm applying some face jewels, and I did apply some lash glue just so that they stick really well. You know, you're going to be dancing, you're going to be sweating, so you want to make sure that your stones don't fall off. Even if they have a little bit of stickiness to them, I just feel like reinforcing them with some glue is always the best option. So I decided to create my own little eyebrow shape. So a big stone in the middle, and then tiny stones, and then going bigger. So I don't know. You could obviously do whatever you want. You could do it underneath your brow. You can do it pretty much anywhere. You can Google like Coachella inspired jewels and a lot of pictures will come up, but this is just what I was feeling. And now I'm just lining my lips with a nude lip liner, and then I wanted my lips to be matte because I just like the way that looked because I have a lot going on. And then I did decide to wing my liner afterwards because I feel like it just shapes my eyes better. I prefer the way my eyes look like that. And now we're going to go back into the hair. So for the hairstyle, super easy. We're doing space buns. So I just kind of parted a piece of my hair, and I'm just going to create little ponytails. Now I am touching like the color, so you're going to see it's on my hands, but it does rinse off really easily. So I just wrap the hair around itself and then just bobby pinned it. It's super easy. You don't have to worry about it being perfect because they're just buns. They're space buns. This one, my other side came out more perfect than the other, but that's okay. I mean, it's just fun. It's a festival inspired look. So I'm just wrapping my hair around itself and then just securing it with bobby pins. And then I wanted the color to be really intense on the buns, so I'm just spraying more of the Malibu Pink right on top. And against my black hair, it's not super pink, but I love the color that it gave me. Now, back to the makeup. I just lightened up my lips a little bit more. I just felt like the lips were a little bit too dark for this look. And then I'm just kind of, tweaking things here and there. So I'm just reapplying some brow product. And then I use the same highlight that I was using on my face underneath my eyes to really tie the look together. And it kind of lightened it up a little bit. And I'm applying a ton of highlight. I really wanted it to be super purple and bright, especially for pictures. And then just reinforcing that inner corner highlight. Like I just really went over everything to make sure it's exactly how I wanted it. And I just applied a little bit more brow bone highlight and a little bit more of a crease color, something not too warm, not too cool. And then just, further more blending. Now I'm going to contour my nose, which has been my favorite part of my makeup routine. I feel like I really got it down pat, if you ask me. And you guys have been loving my nose contour, so I will be doing a nose contour video. So here I'm just highlighting my nose, and I decided to go with a normal, regular color highlight, not a purple shifting one on my nose. I don't know. You could do anything you want though. You can make this super out there or not out there at all. So I'm just applying highlight to my lips and a little bit of a quote-unquote normal highlight on my cheeks. And that is the entire look. So now I'm going to go ahead and change. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Mwah.